guys, welcome back to CMA Junction. In this video, we are going to see how to complete full company accounts and audit in 60 days while giving only 2 to 3 hours per day for this subject. Ma'am, are you serious? Yes, I am serious. So, first of all, I'll suggest you to follow my video series for which link is available in the description. Follow them consistently without a single day break. No Sunday, no holiday. And at the same time, follow the study mat also. But only seeing the video series will not help you out. You have to do the questions daily so that you can grab how to solve different kinds of questions. I'll make you available with some questions in the video series itself, but that is not enough. You had to do from study mat the questions which I left. Max to max, my video series for company accounts and audit will have 80 to 90 videos for company accounts and audit, completing the whole subject. And if you daily give 1 to 1.5 hour for videos and 1.5 hour for revising it and solving different kinds of questions, you will definitely end up with scoring exemptions in your exams. This subject contains 7 chapters, 5 relating to company accounts and 2 relating to auditing, having marks distribution as 50% for company accounts and 50% for auditing. Auditing in CMA Enter contains full theory and company accounts is the practical subject. This means this subject contains both theory and practical. You have to focus on both theory and practicals. In company accounts, I'll help you to understand the concepts with questions, but you have to practice it. Okay? And in audit, I'll help you to learn the theory, but you have to revise it. Revising the theory will help you to learn it for a longer period of time. Okay? Next, don't ever try to move on and leave the chapter you completed earlier. Don't ever try to move on the chapter you have completed earlier. Revising the chapter that you have done is equally important as that of starting a new chapter. Completing a new chapter and forgetting the chapter which you had completed earlier will not help you out. Don't allow your brain to forget anything. Keep revising every week. Make a particular day, for example, take Sunday as your revision day and don't read any new thing but just revise everything which you had done earlier. And do it regularly on every Sunday. If you need company accounts and audit revision lecture, then you can comment it. I have GST indirect taxation revision lectures. If you need for company accounts also, you can comment it in this video. Next, always remember that no one can stop you to get success. It's only you. So if you will not do anything to fulfill your dreams, no one can do it for you. So be focused, be consistent and become the creator of your own destiny. So all the best for your studies. Try to follow the things I told you so that you need not run behind the success. Success will run behind you. If you think that the video is helpful for you, share the video with those who need it and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe the channel and click that bell icon for more updates. So that's it. See you all in the next video.